Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss TS Eamcet 2020 September 11 Shift 1 and Shift 2 question paper review. So make sure to watch this video completely, and if you are new to this channel make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So on September 11, both Shift 1 and Shift 2 question paper overall difficulty was easy to moderate. And if you talk regarding the physics, in shift 1, the overall difficulty of physics was moderate like other shifts. The most of the questions were taken from the chapters like mechanical properties of the fluid, electrical charges and fields, magnetism, laws of motions and thermodynamics. So now if you talk regarding the shift 2, in shift 2, the overall difficulty of the physics was moderate to difficult. The most weighted chapters are similar to other shifts. So the students who are having exam on 14 September can refer these topics and make sure to revise these topics thoroughly. By clicking on I button, you can also watch my video of shift 1 and shift 2 question paper reviews of 9, 10, 10 September 2020. So if you talk regarding the chemistry, in shift 1, the difficulty level of the chemistry was easy. There were more questions from the chapters like organic chemistry, polymers, and solutions. And in shift 2, the difficulty level of the chemistry was easy to moderate. And there were more questions from the chapters like organic chemistry having the maximum weightage. So if you talk regarding the difficulty level of the max in shift 1, it was moderate. And there were more questions from the chapters like vector algebra and calculus. In calculus, there were 8 to 10 questions. In shift 2, there were some lengthy questions in mathematics that required time consuming calculations, and the most of the questions were asked from the chapters like vector algebra, probability, coordinate geometry and trigonometry. And now if you talk regarding the key paper, the Telangana State Council for Higher Education will release key papers of all the sessions after completing all the examination of TSMCET 2020. So we should have to wait for the official release of the key paper. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.